Hey guys, my name is Tara Griffith, and I currently teach chemistry and I coach softball at Shawnee Heights High School, which is located in Topeka, Kansas. This is my second year at Shawnee Heights High School, but I have been teaching for 16 years. A couple other fun facts about me. First off, the biggest influence on my life and why, I would have to say that would be my dad. He is a teacher and he was a coach in the past, so he's a huge influence. I try to model myself after him. He does a great job of being a leader, but yet keeping his standards high. So I think that's something that's very valuable in my life. And so I try to model my life and classroom as well as my teams after him. The results of the personality test, as you could see from my personality test, I am very conscientious about what happens, the little details. I'm very conscientious about those, but I don't like to be in the forefront. Thus the picture of me in the little corner, because I'm not a huge person that's just very outgoing and so on. You could also see that in my personality test. So do I agree with the personality test? Oh yeah, definitely. I think it did a good job of portraying who I am. And it also gave me some things to think about probably as well. The two leadership theories that I feel like I relate best to is the democratic leadership theory. That one, just because I like to give everyone a chance to talk and listen and make decisions for either the classroom or for the team. And so I like to give them a chance. And so I think that's something that's pretty important. The other one that I have is the situational leadership one, and I had not heard of that one before I started this class, and I really like that one because that's based on leadership of the maturity of your audience, and I think that's huge because I think that as you go, or at least in my classroom, as the year goes on, the kids get to make more and more decisions for themselves and for the class, and so I think that's something that I probably buy into a lot. So, does it coincide with my personality test? I think so. Democratic, I like to get all the answers. I like to get all the little pieces before I start checking them. And so I think that's a big thing. All right. Thanks for listening. Can't wait to meet all of you.